5 seconds. Petitioners submit that state government in its reply to the question in Legislative Assembly disclosed that total number of workmen employed after 31/12/1988 was 3,389, out of which 22,260 daily rated employees of different departments have been retrenched, but 4,487 could not be retrenched on account of court orders and scrutiny. The dispute was with respect to the employees mentioned in the list supplied with the answer P5 in the Legislative Assembly. The parties presented their case before arbitrator. After hearing arguments, arbitrator passed an award P9 on 28/8/2000. Lund arbitrator held that Public Works Department cannot be treated as an industry. The work of various other departments of the state also is sovereign function, hence other departments can also not be termed as an industry. In the opinion of the arbitrator, the provision of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 are not applicable to daily wage employees working in the various government departments. The agreement referring the dispute to the arbitrator has been adjourned to be void and ineffective. The arbitrator opined that he has no jurisdiction to pass an arbitration award. The conclusion that government department cannot be treated as an industry is based on full bench decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in State of Punjab versus Kuldeep Singh 1983 LLJ 309, wherein court opened after consider and distinguish the decision of Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board VA Rajappa and ORS AIR 1978 SC 548 that the public work department's function cannot be treated as trade or business. Another decision relied on by the Lund arbitrator is that of High Court of Madras, rendered in WP number 5375 1992 in the Tamil Nadu through Executive Engineer, Construction Industries and Commercial Tax Department versus Principal Labor Court, Madras 2002 LLJ 331, wherein also similar view has been taken following full bench decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in Kuldeep Singh Supra. The arbitrator further opined that the appointments which were made without following the procedure in violation of the rules cannot be regularized in view of the decision of Supreme Court in Ashwani Kumar and ORS versus State of Bihar and ORS AIR 1997 SC 1628, and thus it was held that termination of such daily wage employees was not improper or illegal. They are not entitled to protection of Industrial Disputes Act. The petitioner contended that Lund arbitrator relied on a full bench decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in State of Punjab versus Kuldeep Singh Supra, which stood overruled by the Supreme Court in Desraj versus State of Punjab and ORS. AIR 1988 SC 1182. The case of the petitioners in is that the decision of the arbitrator is against various decisions of the apex court. The test laid down in Bangalore water supply Supra is based on the case of city of Nagpur versus its employees AIR 1960 SC 675, which hold the field. Thus various departments of state are to be treated industry under section 2J of Industrial Disputes Act 1947. Learned counsel appearing for the respondents has relied on decision mentioned above and contends that civil suit is the remedy for the daily wage workers as provisions of Industrial Disputes Acts are not applicable. He has also relied on decision of Madras High Court in State of Tamil Nadu versus Principal Labour Court Supra and contends that the award passed by the arbitrator is proper simply by relying on a decision of full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court, which stands overruled. Validity of the award is not adversely affected as the other reasons mentioned are cogent and proper. To come to the conclusion that PWD and other departments of the state are not industry, the main plank of the arbitration award is full bench decision of Punjab and Haryana High Court in State of Punjab versus Kuldeep Singh Supra, which was specifically overruled by the decision of the Supreme Court in Desraj versus State of Punjab Supra. The learned arbitrator further relied on the decision of State of Tamil Nadu versus Presiding Officer Principal Labour Court Supra, which is also absolutely of no avail as in the above said decision the full bench decision of State of Punjab versus Kuldeep Singh Supra was followed, which stood specifically overruled by Supreme Court in Desraj case Supra. The respondents have heavily relied upon in the written the decision of State of Tamil Nadu versus Principal Labour Court Supra, which stands expressly contrary to the decision of Supreme Court in Desraj case, and Madras High Court has also likewise arbitrated followed the overruled decision of full bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court, which stood overruled way back in the year 1988. Thus, the decision of the Madras High Court has absolutely no force as precedent. The decision of State of Tamil Nadu versus Principal Labour Court Supra does not lay down the correct law in view of the decision of the Supreme Court in Desraj case Supra.